To use Cash App for stocks. Start by downloading and installing the Cash App on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the investing section of the app, which is typically represented by a graph or stock icon. Before you begin, make sure you have a verified account, as this is required to buy and sell stocks. To verify your account, you will need to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is verified, you can start buying stocks. Search for the stock you want to buy by typing the company name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Select the stock you want to buy and choose the amount you want to invest. You can invest as little as $1. Cash App also offers a feature called fractional shares, which allows you to buy a fraction of a share. This is useful if you want to invest in a stock that has a high price per share. After you have selected the stock and amount you want to invest, confirm your purchase and the funds will be deducted from your Cash App balance. To sell a stock, navigate to the investing section of the app and select the stock you want to sell. Choose the amount you want to sell and confirm the transaction. The funds will be deposited into your Cash App balance. It is also important to note that Cash App charges no commission fees for buying and selling stocks. However, there may be some regulatory fees. Additionally, Cash App offers a feature called Cash App Investing, which allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks with as little as $1. To get started with Cash App Investing, navigate to the investing section of the app and select the Cash App Investing option. Choose the portfolio you want to invest in and the amount you want to invest. Confirm your purchase, and the funds will be deducted from your Cash App balance. Overall, using Cash App for stocks is a simple and convenient way to invest in the stock market, with no commission fees and the ability to invest as little as $1. It is a great option for beginners and experienced investors alike.